And so beyond Bitcoin, Caleb, what is it? What are people buying?
So good to be with you, Seema. And we've seen so much promiscuity and also more sophistication on the part of our readers and on the part of crypto investors in the past few months, but especially in the past month. So we're always curious about what they're curious about and their new queries about different types of coins and different types of ways to invest in the blockchain have really revealed a lot to us. So we found that Cardano, very popular coin, very popular token, that's a decentralized proof of stake blockchain platform, has the ADA token, very popular among our readers who are interested in investing in that. They're looking at blockchain ETFs. They're looking at which ones are the best ones to access blockchain so they can invest in it without actually investing in Bitcoin. They're interested in DAO, the decentralized autonomous organization. That's more like a venture capital firm for crypto developers, but they're also interested in Ethereum's gas and Ethereum's Gwei. These are the pricing mechanisms for developing Ethereum in those tokens. So it's a sophisticated audience. They've kind of moved on from Bitcoin, although a lot of people are still involved in it, obviously, and Ethereum and some of the other popular tokens, but it's become much more widespread.
Why do you think that is? Are people getting bored with Bitcoin? Do they just want to diversify? Or is it the technology behind Cardano or Ethereum that somehow seems more appealing to the cryptocurrency investor?
I think it's all the above. I don't think they're ever going to tire of Bitcoin. The Bitcoin enthusiasts, as we know, are there forever. They're hodlers forever. But I think that they're looking at what's being developed outside of Bitcoin. And I do think, Seema, that some people are interested and curious about the energy consumption that Bitcoin does require to develop. So if you're looking at other, at Gwei, for example, or gas, they're looking at different ways of modeling and measuring how much energy it takes to develop some of these tokens. But there's also a lot of interesting technology being developed outside on the blockchain where investors can get access to it. And I think that's what's attracting them right now.
Whether it's Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency, they still all face the same risk, right? Which is the SEC, the prospect of more regulation. We had those comments on tape from Gensler yesterday. Is that something that investors are telling you is top of mind?
Yeah, absolutely. So we follow that very closely, and they're very curious about regulation around crypto, around what might come from the SEC or from other regulators. But they're also curious about hacking and the safety of Bitcoin. We have a lot of queries about what's the best wallet. Should it be in cold storage? Should they have their own separate wallet for it? How safe is it? Is it hackable? So people are interested, not just those folks who have been in it for a while, but new investors who are looking around this ecosystem, wondering how safe it is and which ways to access it if it's not going to be through Bitcoin per se.